Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of updating Snapchat on your Android device. Stay tuned for this full guide on how to keep your Snapchat app up to date. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your Android device. Look for the Play Store icon, usually a white shopping bag with a colorful triangle, and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the Play Store is open, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Snapchat and tap on the search icon or hit Enter on your keyboard. Step 3. In the search results, locate the Snapchat app. It should typically appear as one of the top results. Look for the Update button, which will be displayed near the Snapchat app. Step 4. Tap on the Update button next to the Snapchat app. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing the latest version of Snapchat on your device. Allow the update to complete, and once it's done, you'll have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your Android device. Keeping your Snapchat app updated ensures you have access to the latest features, improvements, and bug fixes provided by the Snapchat team. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.